got going on here is another 991 Turbo S Porsche. This one is going to be a little bit different. We got GMG headers, the ByDesign 68mm turbos, Wagner intercoolers, Wagner Y pipe. We'll also be doing a IPD Center plenum. This will get the Eventuri intake system, which is all carbon fiber. The customer had his own exhaust aftermarket, so we'll be retaining that. This is going to be a very pretty build. The goal would be try to beat the all blue car, which went out to the roll races and destroyed pretty much everything. This should be 9? 9?
How much is that one pushing?
Like 850.
And this one's not getting meth, because that one got meth, right?
That one got meth. This one's not getting meth. We'll see how that goes. That'll be a big factor when we get these two cars side by side. That's what we're doing.
Whoa! And no meth. This thing is fast.
This thing is no meth.
Wasn't ready for that.
Wasn't ready.
Does have a good amount of little crackles to it.
Yeah.
Not too much.
It's fun when it needs to be.
Yeah. Still not as fast as Brian's, but wow, that boogie
Doesn't feel as fast as Brian's. It doesn't.
No.
It should be though.
I still feel like there's some room in tuning for sure.
Yeah, we'll see what Sam wants to clean up today.
Yeah. He's gonna get that'll be some good data. Anybody that hasn't experienced that. And then when you tell like anybody that if a Porsche has Sport Plus, you just power brake launch it. And that's how simple they've made it for every Porsche.
Yeah. Just hammer down both feet.
Yep. Let go of that brake. And then giggle with your friend. Oh yeah.
Should I be scared?
Should she be scared?
It's about to go down.
Is it fast enough? Runs good. Definitely better than the first time we took it out. ByDesign, Sam, he's such a good tuner. It's definitely fast. I don't think it's as fast as the blue one we built, but it's fast. Again, it's no Panamera.
That was amazing.
Oh, dude, these cars launch so freaking hard.
That made my legs quiver.
That was too much fun. It sucks because I get in a 911 Turbo S that's stock now, and I'm like, oh, it's boring.
Oh, so now I'm gonna hate my car? Is what you're
Yeah, it'll
saying?
definitely feel slow now.
What we got going on, dude?
We're strapping a wheel on. We're about to test how strong a Vossen wheel is.
What do you reckon, British Jose?
We're about to karate chop this thing. We're gonna make another dent. You guys want to see? We're about to karate chop this wheel and make some dents with these hands.
I got it.
Whoa!
Somebody go call Marcus.
Oh man, wow. That's what you're paying for, I guess.
Now it makes sense why they're $10,000. I thought it was just looks. You forge something, you're pressing the metal together in a big I mean, it's under, I don't even know how many pounds. We should look that up.
Million pounds.
Yeah, so they take it 18 million pounds of pressure or pushing the aluminum tighter. That's why you can take so much of it away and make it so light. But the idea that you're forcing it all together and making it stronger versus pouring it out of hot aluminum into a cast, obviously you're making it more structurally residual, like resilient.
You can actually see the air parts.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You can't, there's none in this. That's where all the strength.
Forged aluminum is rather neat.
See, that's all textured like that. Those are all air bubbles. You can see them all. That's what makes them weak, and this has none.
Yep.
Another wheel, new handle, going from a fully forged wheel to a very generic cast wheel. Kind of showing the difference, right? Buying a $500–600 set of wheels versus buying a, you know, $2,000+ set of wheels that's more properly built for the vehicle. And we're gonna show what it's like when you hit a pothole. It's definitely some cheap metal. The Vossen didn't come apart like that. No. Not even a little. I mean, look at even the cast, like the look of it. Yeah. I mean, if you can compare this to that OEM wheel that we used.
Yeah, and now do an outro.
Okay.
So you say, hi guys, thanks for watching. And then you say, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more fun shenanigans and breaking stuff. And
like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more breaking shenanigans and fun stuff.